Welcome back to my channel's lovely. God dang it, I can never get that right. Welcome back to my channel's lovelies. Thank you for clicking on this video. I have a new one for you guys where I'll be showing you how to get this look. I'm showing you how to do the eye, and I'm showing you all this face, honey, all of this. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, stop real quick. I got your attention, right, sis? Hit that subscribe button right below. Hit that subscribe button and click that little like button on the side. You're still going to have your edges. You're still going to get your tax return. Just make sure you click like and subscribe this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If there's a certain look you want to see, please message me or let me know below. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and add your girl on Snapchat, because I add people back and I talk to you, okay? All right, well, thank you guys for clicking on this video. And if you want to see how this slay came to be, keep on watching. Okay, so I'm using my Glitz and Glam 2C palette, and I'm going to be using I think it's called Nulu or something. That brown color, that's the one I'm using right here. And I know I'm going to follow up with Ruby, I believe, which is the orange color that I'm pointing to there. And I'm going to really build that orange up. I just sped it up because I didn't want this video to be long as fuck. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm using that Baddie Blue from Glow God Cosmetics, guys. I'm going to put a coupon code below in the description box. But I'm just taking a brush and making that circular, I guess where I kind of want my line of demarcation to be. I am going to blend out this blue. It's very vibrant, and it's a very blendable color. And this is where I really fucked up on this tutorial, because y'all not gonna be able to see me cut the crease or none of that. My face was totally out of the camera and my eyes were shut off. Here I'm taking a small blending brush and just kind of blending out the edges. And yeah, that's why I hopped right into an already cut crease, because my head was out of the camera for half the shot. So I'm sorry about that. But y'all saw how I cut my cut crease previously, and I'm just setting that with translucent powder. I also don't even show you guys how I put the orange and it's annoying. But I do show you guys the pigment that I use. Okay, so here I'm just taking my LA Girl color corrector in orange, and I am going to blend that out with a beauty blender just to correct a little bit of darkness and my tiredness under my eyes and just the dark areas around my nose, so that foundation application can be fire. And I did prime my face. I did put a primer on, which is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer, just in case you were wondering what I used. Okay, here I am putting on my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation in the color Deep Golden, I believe. I think it's 368. And I'm just putting that all over my face. And I'm going to take a flat kabuki brush by Sigma, which I believe is a F80 brush, and blend that in all over my face. Alright, so for concealing, I'm going to be using my Deep Golden Concealer by ColourPop and my concealer by Wet n Wild in Cocoa. I put my ColourPop on first because you guys know I like to highlight, honey. I like to be bright and beautiful under my eye area and cover up them bags, honey, because I be motherfucking tired. So yeah, I'm just gonna mix both of those concealers and we gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Okay, and the beauty blender is wet. It's a Morphe beauty blender if you wondered what I was using in this video. Contour. I'm using my Nicka K contour duo, and it is the darkest shade that they have. I don't know the name of it, and they don't sell it on their website either, so you really gotta try to find this one in your local beauty supply store. Usually, you know, a good hood beauty supply store will carry that shade for you. So good luck, but I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm just contouring them cheekbones, honey, and around that hairline. Hopefully, I think I do. But yeah, that's all I'm doing, is just contouring here. And next, I am about to bake with my Dermablend translucent powder. I did not show it in the clip because the clip that I had was way too short to even show. So I am just pressing that in with a dry sponge. I really like this translucent powder. It's the only white one that I will use because I feel like other ones leave way too much flashback. So I don't know the name of this blush, but I got it for free from Sephora. I will put it in the info box below to tell you guys what it is if you're interested. But it was like barely showing up for me, like barely. Mama love. Okay, it has nothing to do with this. I'm sorry. I'm about to use some Glow Gold highlighter in the shade Soul Glow Honey. Look at that. Look at that. Girl, I am shining. You ever feel like you don't place your highlighter like right where the light is gonna hit it? I feel like placing a highlighter is like a legit skill. Low-key. So I will be using the Shop Bella Ball lashes in the style Prim. This is not my first time wearing some lashes like these from this company. They are amazing. And here I'm just putting on my lashes. I use Star Lash Glue, which you can also get at a beauty supply store, but you can also get it on Amazon, I'm finding. They charge a little bit more, but y'all, this glue sticks, honey, like quickly. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry that I lost the footage on the eyes. I will make sure I'm in focus next time. But hopefully this was a helpful tutorial. Make sure you guys like and subscribe and share this video on your social media. Drop me a comment below and follow your girl on the gram and add me on Snapchat. Love you. Bye.